Hello, welcome to Streams.live. We are happy to have you here. I bet you're eager to go live in front of your audience, but first, we recommend you customize your account. To do this, go to the My Account section and let's customize your appearance. Here you can change your logo, account information, and the currency in which your products are displayed. As you can see, there are 5 different sections within your account. The first one is billing. For paid accounts, here's where you'll find all your billing information, invoices, and more. Second, we have account, the section that we're currently customizing. The third one is plan. From here, you can upgrade your subscription plan. The fourth option is apps, used to activate third-party apps like Shopify. We have discovered in a separate video focusing on activating your e-commerce platform on Streams.live. The fifth option is team, and allows you to invite members of your team and grant them access to specific live commerce channels. Now, once we've seen the account options, let's set up your first live commerce session. Set up a start date and time for your session, and viewers will be able to register for notifications or add the event to their calendars. Add products, manually or from your Shopify account. Activate the products for your next live commerce gig, enable the chat and Q&A options, and go live. You can go live using your laptop's camera or by downloading the Streams.live iOS app.